Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Samina Akhter, Assistant Teacher of English of National Ideal English Version School. So I am going to take an English second paper class for the students of class 6. So our topic is substitution table practice. Okay, so this is lecture number 9 and SW number 8. You will do SW from model question 17 and 18, and substitution table is on number 4. Okay, so 4 number from model question 17 and 18. This is my mobile number given here if you need to ask anything. So dear students, let's look at the board. I have taken 3 substitution tables from randomly from your model question from 11 to 20. Okay, I have taken 3 substitution table from between these model questions from 11 to 20. So first substitution table is written here. You may look at it. Number 1. So here look at this table. Here written Akbar, then his full name, his father, he, then here had, was born. Okay, then here another parts of sentence. Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar Humayun, not much education in 1542 at Amarkot in Sindh. Okay, so we are going to create 4 sentences out of this substitution table. Okay, so let's look at these sentences I have written. Number A. Akbar was born in 1542 at Amarkot in Sindh. Okay, so here look, Akbar was born in 1542 at Amarkot in Sindh. So usually we write the first sentence giving the introduction about the character of the table. So here Akbar, and his introduction here is Akbar was born in 1542 at Amarkot in Sindh. So we have to maintain this sequence. Then his full name was Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar. Look, his full name was Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar. Okay, then number C, his father was Humayun. Okay, third sentence I have written, his father was Humayun. So look, his father was Humayun. You have to arrange the verbs or auxiliary verbs according to the subject. Okay, his father was Humayun. Then last sentence, he had not much education. Okay, he had not much education. So these are the 4 sentences out of this table. So dear students, let's look at the second substitution table. Make 4 sentences from the following substitution table. It's about Mount Everest. Okay, here the parts of the sentences are written here. Look, Mount Everest, eat, these are the subjects, and these are the auxiliary verb, is and was. Then here, named after George Everest, an Englishman, the highest mountain in the world, in the Himalayan mountains in the north of India between Tibet and Nepal. Okay, so let's make 4 sentences. Number A. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Okay, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. So obviously in first sentence we will give the introduction about Mount Everest, and it is in the present tense. So Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. So number B. It was named after George Everest, an Englishman. Okay, as it is a thing of the past, the naming of Mount Everest, so it is in past tense. It was named after George Everest, an Englishman. Okay. Number C, it is in the Himalayan mountains. Okay, it is in the Himalayan mountains. And then number D, it is in the north of India between Tibet and Nepal. Okay, it is in the north of India between Tibet and Nepal. So these are the 4 sentences. You can also write this B number. It was named after George Everest, an Englishman. You can also write this at last. Okay, you can write these sentences about the location of Mount Everest after the first sentence. Okay, so it's no problem if you write these sentences in B or C. Okay, so let's see number 3. So in this table we are here are some sentences about trees. Okay, so trees, they, we. Okay, and then the verbs need, are, take, then carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Our best friends, oxygen to breathe and very useful to men. Okay, so first sentence, trees are our best friends. Trees are our best friends. The number B sentence, they are very useful to men. Okay, so obviously they, with they we are going to write are here. Okay, they are very useful to men. Then number C, they take carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Okay, so see, they take carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Number D, we need oxygen to breathe. So we need oxygen to breathe. So students, these are the 4 sentences that we make out of this table. So substitution tables are very easy. I hope you will have no problem writing these substitution tables. So dear students, practice the model questions from your advanced learners book, and you have to do the, remember you have to do the HW from your advanced learners book from model questions 17 and 18, and the substitution tables are in number 4. Okay, 4 number from model questions 17 and 18. So dear students, this is it for the class, and see you in the next class.